Building a $1 million dropshipping business is a goal many entrepreneurs dream of, but few achieve. Choose the right niche. Look for products with consistent demand, manageable competition, and at least 30 to 50% profit margins. Find reliable suppliers through reputable platforms like AliExpress or Spocket, and order samples to ensure quality. Create a professional e-commerce store using Shopify, with a clean, mobile-responsive design and optimized for conversions. Implement effective marketing strategies using Facebook, Google, influencer marketing, and email marketing. Focus on customer experience with fast shipping, responsive support, and an easy return policy. Leverage automation to streamline fulfillment, automate emails, and use AI chatbots for customer service. Scale up your advertising by reinvesting profits, optimizing ads, and diversifying channels. Track analytics, monitor KPIs, and use A/B testing to refine your strategies based on feedback. Reinvest profits for growth by expanding your product line, hiring help, and building your brand. With smart decision-making and persistence, you can achieve a $1 million dropshipping business by 2025.